Hello everybody, welcome to this week's tip of the week. A lot of times you heard me speaking about importing elements from Tekla to Impact using a tool called Tekla Base Tools, and today I'm very quickly going to show you how you can take your Tekla model and transfer it into Impact using, of course, the properties that you have selected in Tekla. So directly, with no further ado, here we have a demo model, a Tekla demo model that has different elements with different properties, and here we have created a new project in the Impact Project Manager that it is basically empty. So we want to populate the database with the data from Tekla. First thing, we open the Tekla Base Tools. Tekla Base Tools is the tool that controls the connection between Tekla and Impact. It takes the information from the Tekla API and connects them to Impact. The first thing you have to do is, of course, have Tekla open in the background and connect the current Tekla project into an Impact project. Automatically, the Tekla project I have created in the project manager will show up, and then we wait a few seconds and the connection will pop up. As you can see, this is the Tekla Base Tools. I don't have to have it that big. This tool allows us to bring elements in Impact in three very simple steps. The three steps that I'm going to follow are here: linking, mapping, and saving. First, in order to use the button linking, we have to select the elements that we want to bring into Impact. In our case, I will select those three L walls and I'll press linking. The three retaining walls are shown here. The GUIDs from Tekla are also here, and their object position number is coming in. Press link. Yes. The next step is, of course, to map. What do we have to map? We have to map a Tekla definition into a corresponding Impact definition. Tekla and Impact do not communicate together. An object reference in Tekla has their own properties, and an object reference in Impact has their own properties. So what we have to do is take this profile type and map it to the corresponding profile type. In our case here, we do not have a definition for a yard retaining wall, and that's why I'm going to use the definition we call linked in the database. I will select those three, say assign selected, and I will press save. I need to say here that if you have columns, beams, hollow core walls, normal solid walls, sandwich walls, then you can of course use this as your connection. I press save, and the last part is to press save all, or select the elements and press save selected. I will press save all. It takes a split second to convert the items and, of course, save them into Impact. And when this is done, we will be able to open. We will open our project manager, not update but reload, and hopefully the elements will show directly into our view. Those are the elements. You see the information or the view of the elements is almost the same as the one in Tekla. You can see here, and you can see here. And of course, needless to say, each one of those elements has their own properties and their own information that coming directly from Tekla. Now those elements are in and ready to be produced. If you look at here, you will see that you can have a comparison between the Tekla properties and the Impact properties in Tekla Base Tools. One thing that it is important is that in order to be able to do that, there is a path of settings that needs to be done. If you are interested into saving custom materials, reinforcement, specific attributes, volumes, advanced dimensioning from different attributes, and so on and so forth, then this is where you need to look at in order to be able to see this information. If you are interested in a tool like that, do not hesitate to contact me, and I will of course help you set this up according to your company's needs. Thank you so much. Have a great summer vacation, and I'll see you all after summer. Bye bye.